Hi guys, welcome back to 1A Garage Doors, and today I want to show you a quick little video on a properly installed slide lock for your garage door. The specific lock we're using today is the a little bit over 7" here. I like to install them with the 4 screws on here. You could get away with 2, but with the 4 it kind of secures more of the style here. And one thing you got to remember whenever you install them, even though it looks like this would be nicely flush with the panel at the edge, you don't want to do that. You want this when it's open to be flush with the panel, because once the door starts going up, this part will usually catch on the rail, on the very edge of the rail, and it's gonna you could set your door up track or make a louder clinking. Usually I recommend use the self tappers. These are going to be very easy to screw into the metal, and they're very easy to cut through it too. You don't got to pre-drill nothing. If you have a wood door, use something with a thicker thread like this, but usually most of the time you'll have steel doors, and this is what you want to use. Also, one thing to remember, every single door rail will have a little slot right here. A lot of them will be just I already poked this one out right here, but if you still have it intact, just take a little hammer like the edge of a claw hammer and bang it out and take that little slot, you know, out of there. But you'll know when your door's perfectly, the lock's perfectly installed. If it's right in the center like this, that means that that's perfect. Try not to install it when the door's closed to where this is going to be on the very top or the very bottom. You want to just kind of get it in the very center like this, so it'll be much easier to close it and open. It doesn't get caught onto anything and just kind of give you that issue. Anyways, hopefully this video helps you guys out. I'll put the links on the self tappers that we use and the specific slide lock. And thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.